Hey guys, it's Ben from Myers Woodshop, and today I'm going to show you how to change the brushes in the DWP 611 compact router that a lot of people use in their hobby CNCs. My Shapeoko 3 came with the Dewalt. Now sometimes when you go to turn the router on, it won't actually turn on and you think the router is broken. I'd say 9 times out of 10 it's because you need to change the brushes. So let me open up the lid and show you how to do that. The very first thing you need to do is unplug the power. You don't want to mess with the inside of this while the power's still on and for some reason it turns on and jacks you up. So make sure you unplug the power. And now I can take the top off. So these are the only tools you'll need. You need a T20 Torx or a flathead screwdriver. It's easier with the Torx. And some sort of hook or pokey device to remove the spring. So that's what I'm using. So we're looking from the top of the router down. We have 1, 2, and matching 3 and matching 4 screws we need to remove with our Torx or our flathead. So I'm going to remove it with my Torx. Okay, once we have them mostly removed, all we'll do is grab the top of this and kind of lift up like that until it pops off. This one's still kind of grabbing on. So once we remove the top, we'll just pull that off. Here's the internals. We're going to come down here to this side and the other side. They're matching on both sides. Let me zoom you into that. Okay, so we have a clip right here that pushes down this little power clip. And then we have a spring right here. So we want to take a small, I'm going to take our pokey device and lift up. So that removes our clip, and then we want to take our pokey device or spring type and then stick our thing in here and lift the spring forward, and we want to put it over this part right here. That'll hold the spring up for us so we can pull out the brush. So let's push it over, and now we have it up here, and now the brush is free. You can see we'll just lift by the strand part and slide the brush out, and you can see what a brush looks like here. So it's curved up here. The more wear it has, it'll move farther down to a certain spot, and once it gets past that, it won't turn on any longer. So we're going to replace this. We're going to repeat that process on the very other side of the router. Exact same, it's a mirrored image. So here's our used brush. You can see it's got rounded. I wanted to show you what a brand new brush looks like that. This one isn't very used. It's pretty new. I just wanted to do the video to show you, but that's about the difference in the length of a brand new brush. They eventually wear down. So let's go install the new brush. All right, to install the new brush, we got the brush. I'm hanging out the left side. We're going to slide it in the tall side. There's only one way it can fit, and then we're going to just take this little arm, then we're just going to take that little clip and we're going to slide it back on the knob part just like that. And then finally we're going to take the spring, let me get that out of the way, pop the spring back over off the arm, back over, and now it's covering and holding that brush in. You can see the spring actually pushes the brush in, and that's how it gets even wear, and eventually it won't push it anymore because it'll be so short and it'll stop the brushes from working, and that'll stop it from rotating. So don't throw out your router, check the brushes, always have some extra on hand in case you're carving or using it and it stops and you're running a job. Anytime I already have the top off and I'm replacing the brushes, I think it's a good time to go ahead and take some compressed air and go ahead and blow out the fine dust that has accumulated. So I'm going to do that now. So now we'll just take the top, place it back on. I never took the screws fully out so I didn't lose them. So I just kind of push it down until it lines up, you can see. And now we'll take our Torx or flathead and just tighten those screws down. And it's as simple as that. Now to test it, we'll go ahead and turn it on. If it turns on, you're good. Thanks for watching. Happy cutting.